Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Horinga.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical answers for Bata India. Bata India is the ticker name too, and you are watching the monthly chart of Bata India. And this is the historical price chart of Bata India, and here each candle represents 1 month, and these are all the technical indicators and their respective graphs generated for this stock to do the technical answers. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern of the stock, it is very clear. It is very clear that the stock has been moving in the upward direction consistently since a long period of time. If you consider, we are having data since 2014 June onwards up to 2017 November 29th. Now, if you see this, if you look at the crosshairs, please focus on the crosshairs. If you look at this this highs. If you consider this one as a new high one, this is two, this is three, and then there's a lot of sideways movement, and recently in October 2017 the stock made one more high. Okay, you can consider this as a sideways movement, and in this moment the stock had hit its bottom. Okay, and when it it hit in November 2016. That time the stock was trading at 396, yeah, 394. Okay, something around that. And after that it started moving in the upward direction, and today the stock is trading at 744.90 rupees. So literally some 350 rupees difference, it has given to its investors, whoever has invested here at this point. Okay, now for a long period of time, the stock was not doing great, was not giving showing great performance to its investors, because it has been moving in a sideways, and only recently it started moving in upward direction. People who had invested here after their investment, see the line, you see, if you see the line, if you go by this line, actually from this point on only, this is the small hike they got. Okay, whoever has invested here, that means in June 2014, whoever has invested here. So again their investment started working for them only from this point means nearly August 2017 onwards. Okay, August, September, October, and again November, it went down. So this stock, Bata is a very popular brand, and everybody in India knows about Bata. Somewhere in their life, definitely they might have used Bata's products. Definitely, that is there for sure. But stock wise, the performance is like this. But anyway, the stock has already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average, and it is right now under the influence of positive support trend mode. Okay, stochastics. Both lines are playing on the top of the 80 line, very good. And but recently, if you see the tip, the slow line, crossed that fast line, and it now the slow line is on top of the fast line. Okay, now that means a negative trend reversal. Okay, happened, and the relative strength of the stock is going down, and direction strength is converging. Okay, which is not good, and momentum is was at its peak, now it is coming down, and balance of power and LRA both are showing that the stock is in bullish phase right now slightly, and Kopeck curve is showing that the stock is in buy zone. Okay, but if you look at the tip, it looks like the strength is there. It is building up. Okay, now if you see this path pattern, it is very clear, as I already told you, that the stock broke into a sideways movement for a long period, and it had been there. It had been performing that movement in for quite a long period of time, spanning years. Okay, and recently it made a new high in continuation of its previous highs. So this is the performance of the stock to its when it comes to the investors point. Okay, investors always look the stock from the profit angle. So from their angle, the performance stopped long time ago, and now it resumed, it got resumed. That's it. Now if you look, if you take into consideration all these points, and including the guiding points of the in technical indicators, along with the brand and all the stuff, at this moment we can consider this stock for medium term investment. uh, and uh, and this is a slow pace rising stock, that's what we can say, because it has been in the market, and based on its brand image and all the stuff, the stock would have crossed 1,000 a long time ago, but it didn't. So I consider this stock as a slow pace stock, and this stock can be at this moment it can be considered only for a medium term only, medium term investment only. We will come back to this stock later after a few days, and we will redo the analysis. That time we will check whether this stock is eligible for long term investment or not. But until then, this stock can be considered for medium term investment. This is my conclusion as per my analysis. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.